Alright, let's get this done. Intro music with RoamTips.com logo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're tackling a super common iPhone question: how to change the Safari tab layout. Whether you're tired of the current look or just want to try something new, I'm going to show you how to easily switch between the tab bar and tab grid views in Safari. Before we dive in, if you find this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. So, what exactly are we talking about? Safari on iPhone lets you choose how your open tabs are displayed. You can have the classic tab bar at the bottom, where each tab is a small rectangle, or the more visual tab grid, which shows all your tabs as larger thumbnails. Both have their advantages, and switching between them is easier than you might think. Alright, let's get started. I'll walk you through two simple ways to change the tab layout. Visuals: screen recording of iPhone showing Safari. Okay, the first method is right from within Safari itself. Open Safari on your iPhone. Now, look down at the bottom, next to the tab button. You'll see either an AA icon for tab bar view, or a small rectangle icon for tab grid view. Just tap and hold on that AA or rectangle icon. A little menu will pop up. Here you'll see options like Show Tab Bar and Show Tab Grid. Simply tap on the layout you prefer. And just like that, your Safari tabs will instantly change. That's it. Super simple, right? Visuals: switch between tab bar and tab grid to demonstrate. Okay, now for the second method, which uses the Settings app. Go to your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down until you find Safari, and tap on it. In the Safari settings, scroll down again to the Tabs section. Here you'll see two options, Tab Bar and Tab Grid. Just tap the circle next to the layout you want to use. The check mark will move, and your Safari tabs will change to that view. Visuals: show settings screen and tab layout options. So there you have it. Two quick and easy ways to change the Safari tab layout on your iPhone. Experiment with both the tab bar and tab grid to see which one works best for you and your browsing habits. Visuals: recap of both methods. Changing the tab layout in Safari can really improve your browsing experience, so hopefully, this video was helpful. Outro music starts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below which tab layout you prefer. See you in the next video.